Welcome back to one of the most beautiful campuses in the country. It's Mica Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad नहीं है, outskirts में है, लेकिन यहाँ के students super cool, academics really cool. अब देखते हैं यहाँ के students क्या कहना चाहते हैं in Tic Tac MTV College Beat. This is MTV Record Toronto Garnier Pure Active Task and I have beautiful women around. इनके नाम है
कृति, अनुषा, संयुक्ता, सत्या.
आपको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करना है इन दोनों को और इनको इन दो खूबसूरत लड़कियों को जिनके मुंह पर डार्क स्पॉट्स हैं, ये स्पॉट्स हटाने हैं. 1, 2, 3 स्टार्ट. Okay girls, stop now! And the winner is Samyukta. Congratulations. And to know more about Garnier Pure Active, log on to facebook.com/Garnier Pure Active. Guys, radio is the future. In New York alone, there are 50 radio stations. Mumbai, Delhi में 8 radio stations हैं और यहाँ पर Mica Ahmedabad में they have their own community radio station. It's called Mica Wani 90.4 FM. This is the on-air studio. Light जली हुई है. अब अंदर जाकर देखते हैं what's happening. Guys, this is the amazing on-air studio in Mica. और आप क्या करते हैं?
मेरा नाम अतिन बत्रा है. मैं प्रोडक्शन हैंडल करता हूँ यहाँ पे. I just make sure that the computers in the studio is absolutely in working order.
We basically broadcast to villages around Mica of a 5-kilometer radius. We do a lot of community programs, tell them about financial education, we tell them about health.
Hi, I'm Apurva and I take care of marketing and sponsorships for all the events that we have in the villages around this area as part of the community initiative. So essentially my job is to get sponsors on board for that, and these sponsors are essentially rural in nature. So all of this that we do is in addition to all the other academic routine and all the events that are going on campus.
Hi, I'm Namrata. I basically take care of the audience research and the market research part of Mica Wani. Like before we have an event and everything, we have to go to the villages and inform the people about the events that are taking place. We have to get participants and we have to make sure that they like the programs. We have to change our programs accordingly. So basically all those stuff is taken care by us. We have our surveys and we take care. We go to them. We talk to the village panchayat members, the mukhya and all those people who basically inform us what is going wrong and what is going right, and accordingly we plan our programs.
I'm getting confused कि ये audience research पंचायत गांव में क्यों हो रहा है? अहमदाबाद में नहीं है. It's outside Ahmedabad. It's surrounded by a village called Shela, right? तो वो आपकी market है. That's the target audience, right?
Absolutely. I'm Raisa. I take care of programming. Programming would include all sorts of programs that we do for the community here. Plus, we also do a lot of programs for people on campus. So there's a fest called My Canvas, which we cover.
Hi, this is Tarang. I'm actually behind the events and logs of the station. So I handle basically all the events that we do on campus, off campus, getting the tent wala on campus on board, and the speaker system, everything. Getting things running around and do everything that we basically require.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम सब ने अक्सर अखबारों में और टीवी पर आ रहे समाचार में अनेक सरकारी योजनाओं के बारे में सुना है. गुजरात सरकार द्वारा जारी स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना के बारे में तो आप सब ने सुना होगा. इस योजना के अनुसार 10 से 20 लोगों का समूह स्वयं एक रोजगार शुरू कर सकता है. इस सहायता को प्राप्त करने के लिए आपको बस ये नंबर याद रखने हैं. तो दोस्तों, इन नंबरों को याद रखें और इन योजनाओं का लाभ जरूर उठाएं.
Tic Tac task of the day, my favorite part of the show. Yes, it is. तालियां. इनको लॉक इन की गेम खेलना है. ये लॉक्ड है और ये सारी कीज हैं. सही चाबी ढूंढनी है और खोलना है. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Go for it. Rishabh is the winner. He gets Tic Tac refreshment to be shared. So that's it, guys. Mica Ahmedabad, it's so beautiful. 4 साल बाद यहाँ पर आया. Made some amazing memories again. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपका कॉलेज हम कवर करें, मेरा साथ collegebeat@mtvindia.com. Till then, this is Ayushman saying bye-bye. I can see this lonely bench. And I'm feeling sleepy. Hari bhari chhao. And beautiful weather. Keep watching Tic Tac MTV College Beat.
Stay childlike. Stay raw.